And here is the viola tutorial for Bach Air. Important thing, count all the beats, make sure that we play together. I start in third position, you don't have to, just don't play open A string. Okay, ready, M. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Half position. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. 2, 3. 4. Let's go on at 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. Half position. 2, 3. Okay, so let's go a little bit over that because I need to explain. Here, when you go for low one, that's fine. I go with 2 on the B, half position, and then I can switch right back to the next B, first finger. Now don't miss any C sharps. And then we have that part that has to come out a little bit. 3, 4. And here I will go to third position, but you don't have to. And shift back. 2, 3. Okay, so it sounds a little bit strange on measure 16 because you don't have those sharps that we had before, but that's okay. It will make sense when it's played with the other parts. I think this should be up bow actually here, not down bow. 2, 3, and you can do another up bow here. And those 16 notes are important. Okay, happy practicing.